write equations in point slope form. Point slope form looks like this. It's y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So first of all, these minus signs, don't think of them as actually subtraction, think of them as opposite, because that will help you in writing the equation. This has a 1 here because it's related to the point that they give you. So this is alphabetical order here, and because that's a given point, you put a 1. And then the m is the slope. So the equation in point slope form for this information they give you, the x and the y stay in your answer. So the opposite of the y they give you, the opposite of positive 8 is negative 8, equals m, the slope. The slope is negative 3, parentheses, x, that stays. The opposite of the x they gave you. So the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4, and that's the answer. So I'm going to, this point they give me is x1 and y1. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So the y stays. The opposite of the y they give you, and this is the slope, the opposite of 3 is negative 3 equals the slope, negative 5/4, parentheses, x, and the opposite of the x they give you. The opposite of positive 8 is negative 8. That's the answer. So I have x sub 1, y sub 1, my slope. So I have y, and the opposite of the y they gave me, the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2, equals m is 3/2. And then x, the opposite of the x they gave me, the opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. Point slope form.